Did you know, according to the USDA, an average avocado contains around 975 milligrams of potassium? That's double the amount found in a banana? Yes, you heard it right. This astonishing avocado isn't just a tasty superfood, but also a powerhouse of essential nutrients. Our journey today takes us through the extraordinary world of avocados, exploring its remarkable health benefits and the numerous creative ways you can incorporate it into your daily diet. From the National Library of Medicine to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, experts across the globe are continuously lauding the health benefits of this exceptional fruit. Avocados, often known as alligator pears due to their shape and rough green skin, are unlike most fruits. They're not high in carbs, but instead packed with healthy fats, which have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. But that's not all. They're also loaded with fiber, contributing to weight loss, reducing blood sugar spikes, and are linked to a lower risk of many diseases. But how does one consume this nutrient-dense fruit? Avocados can be enjoyed in many forms, from the classic guacamole to smoothies, salads, and even desserts. The versatility of avocados is truly commendable. Beyond just being a fruit, avocados have become a symbol of health and wellness. This green wonder has taken the culinary and health world by storm, and for good reason. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of this green gem? Stay tuned as we delve into why this green gem is considered the green gold of nature. From the National Library of Medicine to the CDC, numerous health organizations highlight the benefits of avocados. So, what's the big deal about this creamy green fruit? Let's delve into the science-backed benefits of avocados. First up, let's talk about potassium. You might think bananas are the go-to source for this essential mineral, but avocados actually contain more potassium than bananas. According to the USDA, a medium avocado provides about 20% of your daily potassium needs. This powerhouse mineral is vital for maintaining electrical gradients in your body's cells and serves various important functions. Next on the list is the heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Avocados are rich in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that has been linked to reduced inflammation and shown to have beneficial effects on genes linked to cancer. The majority of the fat in avocados is oleic acid, making it a great choice for heart health. But that's not all. Avocados are also loaded with fiber. Fiber is indigestible plant matter that can contribute to weight loss, reduce blood sugar spikes, and is strongly linked to a lower risk of many diseases. A serving of avocado can provide you with anywhere from 25 to 33% of the recommended daily amount of fiber. Let's move on to the antioxidants. Avocados are not just rich in antioxidants themselves, but also help you absorb antioxidants from other foods. They're particularly high in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are incredibly important for eye health. Now let's talk about vitamins. Avocados are a good source of vitamin C, E, K, and B6, as well as riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, and potassium. They also provide lutein, beta-carotene, and omega-3 fatty acids. All these nutrients play a crucial role in promoting a healthy immune system, good skin health, and enhanced absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K. So, as we've discovered, avocados truly are a nutritional powerhouse. They're packed with beneficial nutrients, including numerous vitamins and minerals, heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, antioxidants, and more. It's no wonder that the National Library of Medicine, the USDA, and the CDC all recommend including avocados in your diet. But how can you include this nutritious fruit in your daily diet? Let's explore. From breakfast to dinner, there are countless ways to enjoy avocados. This statement could not be truer. This versatile fruit can be incorporated into your meals in a myriad of ways, making it not just an enjoyable, but also a nutritious addition to your diet. So let's dive into the delicious world of avocados and explore how you can make them a staple in your daily meals. Let's start with the first meal of the day, breakfast. Avocados make a delightful addition to your morning meal. Consider a classic avocado toast. Spread ripe avocado on a piece of whole grain toast. Sprinkle some salt and pepper, and voila! You have a healthy, filling breakfast. Or perhaps you're more of an egg person. Then an avocado and egg breakfast bowl might be right up your alley. Scoop out a bit of an avocado, crack an egg into the hollow, and bake it. It's a protein-packed breakfast that's sure to keep you full until lunch. Speaking of lunch, how about adding avocados to your salads? Their creamy texture pairs wonderfully with crunchy greens. Or you can use avocados as a base for a dressing. Blend an avocado with some herbs, lemon juice, and olive oil for a creamy, healthy dressing. Now let's talk about dinner. Avocados can be a fantastic addition to a variety of dishes. Add some diced avocado to your tacos or enchiladas. Blend it into a sauce for pasta, or use it as a topping for grilled chicken or fish. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about snacks and desserts. Avocado hummus is a great healthy snack option. Blend chickpeas, avocado, and some seasonings, and you have a delicious, nutritious dip. As for desserts, did you know that avocados can be a healthier substitute for butter in baking? That's right, avocado gives baked goods a soft, moist texture, minus the unhealthy fats. You can even use avocados to make a guilt-free chocolate mousse. Blend ripe avocados with cocoa powder, a sweetener, and a bit of vanilla for a decadent dessert that's good for you. You see, avocados are not just for guacamole. They can be used in so many different ways in your kitchen, from being a staple in your breakfast to being a secret ingredient in your dessert. And the best part? Every time you include avocados in your meal, you're giving your body a boost of essential nutrients like fiber, potassium, and healthy fats. With so many ways to enjoy avocados, it's easy to make this nutritious fruit a part of your daily diet. So why not grab an avocado the next time you're at the grocery store and start exploring the delicious, nutritious possibilities it has to offer? Your body and your taste buds will thank you. You've probably heard avocados referred to as the green gold. But why is that? Well, the term green gold is a nod to the incredible value that avocados bring to our plates and our health. They're a veritable treasure chest of nutrients, packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and antioxidants. In fact, avocados contain more potassium than bananas, an essential nutrient that most people don't get enough of. But the green gold moniker isn't just about nutrition. Avocados are also hailed for their versatility in the kitchen. They can be mashed into guacamole, sliced onto salads, spread onto toast, blended into smoothies, and even used as a base for chocolate mousse. Their creamy texture and mild flavor make them a delicious addition to a wide variety of dishes. They're a culinary goldmine, if you will. The term green gold also reflects the global demand for this fruit. Over the past few decades, avocados have grown from a niche food item to a mainstream staple. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, the consumption of avocados in the U.S. has more than quadrupled over the past 20 years. And it's not just America. The love for avocados is a worldwide phenomenon. From Europe to Asia, more and more people are embracing the health benefits and culinary versatility of avocados. In addition, avocados are a significant player in the global economy. They're a major export for countries like Mexico and the Dominican Republic, bringing in billions of dollars each year. For these countries, avocados truly are green gold, generating income and supporting local economies. However, with this increased demand comes responsibility. It's crucial to support sustainable farming practices to ensure that we can continue to enjoy avocados without harming the environment. As consumers, we have a role to play in this by choosing avocados from sources that prioritize sustainability. Truly, the avocado lives up to its title of green gold. From its numerous health benefits to its culinary versatility, it's clear why avocados are a superfood. We've journeyed together through the astonishing world of this green gold, uncovering its myriad health benefits from heart health to eye health, and even its potential in aiding weight loss. We've also delved into the various ways to incorporate this nutritional powerhouse into your diet, ensuring you can enjoy its goodness in every meal. Remember, a balanced diet is key to maintaining good health, and avocados can significantly contribute to this balance with their high nutrient content and versatility. They're not just a trendy food item, but a substantial addition to your health journey. So why not make avocados a part of your daily diet? Explore its potential, relish its taste, and cherish the health benefits it brings. Remember, your health is your wealth. So embrace the green gold and make avocados a part of your diet. And as we continue to bring you more insights into the world of health and nutrition, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay healthy, stay strong.